Today I have a storage hack for you as you get ready to store your summer landscaping supplies in your storage unit. In my truck here, I got my lawnmower. Trusty old lawnmower. It's been raining a lot, so the last time it was used, it got a whole bunch of grass caked onto it. You see this? So before we put it into storage, we actually want to clean off as much of these grass trimmings as possible, because this is not only good nesting for rodents, but they'll actually eat it too. So we want to prevent rodent attraction as much as possible. All right, we just got to take this thing down. So just keep in mind that all we're trying to do is get a majority of that grass off. You saw it before, you see it now, much less grass on there.